Explore a whole new ice fishing experience with the latest Wilcraft off-road vehicle. This year's four-wheel drive model packs a 26.5 horsepower engine and can handle a load of 306 kilograms. It allows you to cruise through dirt, snow, ice, or even water at speeds of up to 21 kilometers per hour. Need more clearance? Easily raise it up to 28 centimeters. Once you've reached your fishing spot, set up your tent and enjoy maximum comfort. Feel free to bring your friends along. With Wilcraft, you can drill 4 holes without leaving the vehicle. You can buy it for around $30,000. Yetti Outdoors presents a camper tailor-made for ice fishing fans. The newest Angler Edition model comes loaded with features. You can get an underwater camera linked to a screen beside the holes. Choose from various furniture options, air conditioning, plumbing, and more. The biggest Angler Edition spans 7.3 meters, providing space for up to 11 people overnight. Stay well fed with a compact kitchenette featuring a stove and microwave. This camper is priced at over $40,000. Meet Dipstick, a unique product that could easily snag the silver medal in the weirdest ice fishing gear contest. This nifty invention dips into your fishing hole and keeps up to 12 beverage cans cool. Grab one, and the next pops out instantly thanks to Dipstick's retractable bottom. The best part is that your drinks stay cool, not frozen. Get your hands on a Dipstick for just $37. An ice axe is a must-have in winter adventures, and not just for climbing. Many manufacturers design their ice axes to double as tent stakes or trekking poles. Some ice axes stand out for their surprising features. Take the Camp CORSA, one of the lightest models at just 200 grams. Then there's the Petzl LITERIDE, compact at 50 centimeters and easily fitting into many backpacks. With various options available, you can snag a solid ice axe for around $83. At high altitudes where it gets much colder, the Biigloo team has your back with their namesake sleeping bag. Imagine snoozing comfortably even at minus 40 degrees Celsius. Sounds fantastic. The creators are confident it's one of a kind, thanks to the use of Aerogel, a material made up of 99.8% air. This makes the sleeping bag lightweight, tipping the scales at about 1.8 kilograms. What's more, Biigloo absorbs 90% less moisture, is anti-static, and offers perfect ventilation. Get your hands on this sleeping bag for $210. ISPO Munich stands out as one of the world's key trade fairs for sports and outdoor products. That's where, back in 2018, the Advenate team caught everyone's attention with a shovel that doubles as part of a tent frame. The handle cleverly hides a 2.4 meter long tent pole, also usable as a probe and an emergency beacon. This shovel's blade is tough enough to break ice, and the tent itself is lightweight at just 720 grams. Advenate sees it as an excellent choice for emergency shelters and overnight stays in remote areas where hauling larger tents can be a challenge. Prepare to be amazed by the SweatTent. It takes only 3 minutes to assemble and holds the title of the lightest multi-person sauna in sauna construction history. SweatTent weighs 27 kilograms and reaches 93 degrees Celsius in half an hour thanks to its stainless steel wood-fired oven. Its clever design lets you set it up on a snowy mountaintop or a frozen lake. Picture the surprise on your friends' faces when they discover this winter entertainment. Now, you can boost your mental and physical health by enjoying your sauna whenever and wherever you please. All it takes is $1,100 to own this incredible tent. Unlike the previous sleeping bag, this one doesn't use Aerogel or similar fancy materials, but it comes with a higher price tag, $950. Winter frosts won't faze you with this sleeping bag, as it's built for temperatures down to -30 degrees Celsius. The hood is cleverly designed to prevent condensation or frost caused by breathing. Plus, it's lighter than the previous model, weighing in at about 1.4 kilograms. On top of that, the design got a touch of expertise from Erik Larsen, a polar explorer with over 20 years of experience. In the winter, regular tents need heating too. Luckily, there's the GRAVFORCE stove on the market. Just like the sauna mentioned earlier, it runs on wood and comes with a chimney and special inserts for the tent's top. Weighing 7 kilograms, it can be easily carried by one person, and it's not only good for heating the tent, but also for cooking. The chimney's maximum length is 2 meters, making it a great fit even for larger tents. Do you think all of this is worth the $114 price tag? Now that you've got your sleeping spot sorted, let's talk food. Meet MiniMo, your ticket to a complete hot dinner. Priced at $141, this device boasts perfect temperature control thanks to its patented regulator. From boiling and frying to whipping up sauces, MiniMo has you covered. Boiling water isn't an issue. One cylinder can boil up to 12 liters. If the snow's clean, you can source water from it. Otherwise, you'll need to find a river or carry drinking water. Luckily, MiniMo weighs just 415 grams. Winter clothing's getting smarter too. What do you think of these gloves that keep you warm all year round? Well, these gloves have special graphene elements that produce therapeutic infrared heat, the same as in an infrared sauna. Plus, one charge lasts a good 6.5 hours. And don't forget about heated socks, a must-have for your winter wardrobe. The mobile warming pair lasts a whopping 16 hours and comes with a remote control for precise temperature adjustment. These socks even reach up to your calves and are made of merino wool to keep unpleasant odors at bay. Need something more compact, less flammable, and without chimney hassle? Check out Big Buddy by Mr. Heater, one of the most popular portable heaters in the United States. It runs on propane and warms up to 42 square meters. Not only is it great for indoors, it's also perfect for outdoor use, especially for ice fishing. The heater also has safety features. It shuts off if accidentally tipped over or in low oxygen conditions. Plus, on the lowest heat setting, the 3.8-litre canister lasts almost 11 hours. You can grab your big buddy for $247. For people who love coffee and don't want to miss out on it during winter outings, there's the Wacaco Cuppamoka coffee maker. It's a simple pour-over model. Just put ground coffee in the filter and pour hot water over it. The brewed coffee goes into a 300ml insulated mug, keeping it warm for hours. The whole set, including the coffee maker, 10 filters and a spoon, costs $49. $300 for a knife? Let's break it down. Meet the Tops Tracker Digger. Its unique design combines a classic knife with a Japanese hori-hori gardening knife. This makes it versatile for cutting, chopping, and digging, ideal for both winter expeditions and summer garden tasks. The 121mm double-edged blade is crafted from 1095 steel, and the whole knife weighs 510 grams. It comes with a sheath for easy storage. By the way, if you're looking to purify snow water, check out PURIBAG. The basic version of this filter weighs less than 200 grams, fits in your hand, and gets rid of 99% of viruses and protozoa, plus 100% of bacteria. It takes about 30 minutes to do its thing. This filter meets WHO standards, and it can clean up to 120 liters of water. The price is just $45, not too shabby, right? Meet Trono, the world's most compact and lightweight inflatable chair, according to its makers. Weighing in at 800 grams, it can handle up to 150 kilograms, offering a comfy seat whether you're in the desert or a snowy forest. You can get reinforced bottom protection for extra durability in harsh conditions. Worried about it flying away in the wind? Trono's got you covered with straps for pegs. According to its creators, Trono beats all other similar chairs in inflation speed, and they're pricing it at $87.